Okay, I'm going to do a quick video to remind everybody how to share a Google Sheet with the appropriate sharing settings. It looks like Google has actually changed some of their menus and the look of how it works. So I want to walk through it one more time and make sure that everybody can share everything appropriately. So here I am in a Google Sheet. If I go to File and Share, now it gives you all sorts of information here, but if I go to Change Link to Carroll College, it says anyone at Carroll College with this link can view. Okay, finally, if I click the little down arrow here, I can say anyone with the link. And this says anyone on the internet with this link can view. That is the one that you want. Otherwise, I cannot see your work and I can't give you partial credit on things that you might have made mistakes on. So if you just click copy link and then in a quiz or in a lesson or something like that, you paste it in, you'll have the entire link that I can actually see. It has to be these settings, otherwise I cannot see your work. All right, that's it for this one.